Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to find what files are taking up space on your PC. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. First, open your web browser and search for TreeSize free. Click on the first site. Download the free version and install it. At the end of the installation, check the box that says Launch TreeSize Free Now, then click Finish. The first time you run it, Windows will ask for administrator permissions. The program will automatically start scanning your main drive. Once done, you'll see a breakdown of storage usage. In my case, the Users folder is the largest, and inside it, the Downloads folder is taking up a lot of space. You can expand each folder to see specific files and decide what to keep or delete. To free up space, select unnecessary files, right-click, and delete them. That's it. Now you know how to find and remove large files easily.